Hello, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in Mullica, New Jersey. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica in 30 Days, Day 6. I'm here at the Harrison House Restaurant with Constantine. Thanks for doing this today. I appreciate it. Absolutely. I heard about this and this hot dog and I'm obsessed. So I wanted to, obviously you can get all things amazing here, right? So they do everything from gyros to sunny side up eggs to steak to seafood. You've got everything. This is Jersey dining, right?
It's
So
lunch and dinner
all day long and done amazingly well, right? So, but this is something new, and Mullica has got that whole thing, what's old is new again. So, Constantine, tell us about your inspiration.
Well, when you say what is old is new, what's better than a hot dog?
Amen.
And we've taken things like cheeseburgers and made them new. We've taken things like hotcakes and made them new. So, back in real quick, quarantine was a time for us to rediscover what's going to work, and something that just didn't seem to be making any pop anymore was a hot dog. So rather than just doing a regular hot dog, we came up with something that has more, everything that's utilized in this menu is stuff that we serve here already. So it wasn't really just a new idea, it was just sort of like repurposing what we had
Even better.
to create a new want, a new desire without people actually coming inside the kitchen. We were able to deliver it to the customer. A ghost kitchen, eventually, but this is Doghouse came to be.
Love it. And so you were telling me that the inspiration for this, for the logo, was your dog.
It is my dog, my boxer,
Right.
Cora. Yes, my boxer. The name has, it took some time, and what would be a good name for a hot dog? So we came up with Doghouse, and it's a dog. It's personal to me, obviously. I'm a boxer fan.
It's awesome. And this is an extensive menu, so we have just a few things here to look at and enjoy. It all looks amazing.
I mean, we have to start with the egg, obviously, because there's something better than egg. It just screams something you wouldn't have on the weekend. Have one cold, warm, chili. You have the Cuban, which is a take of a couple different varieties of meats, the hams, the Swiss, and then obviously your Philly dog. You're right across the bridge.
That's amazing. I love it. Constantine, thank you so much for sharing
My
this with
pleasure.
us. This looks heavenly. It's hard to sit here.
You're taking this with you, right?
So I'd love to hear those kinds of things. Anyway, thank you so
Always a
much.
pleasure.
It's absolutely a pleasure. I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty here in Mullica, New Jersey. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica in 30 Days, Day 6 at the Harrison House Diner with Constantine Bennett. Make it a great day.
See you later.